Hi guys, it's Brennan Kimono. So in today's video we're going to be making the Okonomiyaki pancake. This recipe is the Osaka recipe. There's also the Hiroshima with the noodles and the egg, but for this recipe we are doing the Osaka recipe. This is the package that I had purchased from Amazon.com for about $40. The mayonnaise was in the fridge. And what you will need for cooking utensils for this are two very clean spatulas and then a piping hot pan, non-stick. And if you have a lid for your pan, that is very ideal for the cooking of these pancakes. We have the flour here, cabbage here, eggs there. We have the Japanese mayonnaise, chopped up scallions, and some of the how do you say that, Mom? Okonomiyaki. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time saying that. And then we have some of the bacon. We do not have the pork belly, but I'm pretty sure it's very similar, eh, Mom? That's the same? And then my mom had to whip out some sushi because she's a big old show-off. That looks really good. I actually ate the rest of this, so whoops. Whoops, that wasn't me, Mom. It was a ghost that showed up and did that. Okay, so we are going to follow the specifications of the bag to make these pancakes, and just follow it. And we are making the Osaka one, not the Hiroshima one with the noodles and the egg cracked on top. We're going to be making like the cabbage mixture. And I read the bag, and it just says it's basically like a budget food for, like, you know, hard times. So, I mean, I'm really excited for this. And one thing I will say, the box that we had purchased on Amazon, they go very, very quickly because a YouTube page made a video on this, and it ended up on Reddit and a bunch of other like Facebook and a whole bunch of other like really hot pages, and then people really wanted to try this at home. So whenever it does show up on Amazon, it's gone really quickly. So other things that are on top is the these flakes, dried shaved bonito. Sorry if I'm butchering all that. And then these little, to put on top, the num-nums. So, okay, so we are going to get cracking and assemble the Okonomiyaki. Okay, we'll be back. Crack this open, if it'll ever focus, and it doesn't really have much of a smell to it. I thought it would have like a smell of pancakes, but it just looks like regular flour. So, there it is. We're supposed to put a cup. Exactly 1 cup. So just like making pancakes, here is my flour, and I am throwing in the water. We actually made a double batch of this because we were feeding 3 hungry people, and they say that you can feed 3 people just with 1 batch, but I wanted to make extra pancakes for my mom because we were only there for a couple of days, and I wanted her to have some for the next day. And this is some of the cabbage that my mom bought at the market, and it was just like a coleslaw. That's what she got, so she didn't have to grate up the cabbage. And we had to measure out 2 cups of this to throw in the batter. And even though the consistency of the batter seemed very loose when you just throw in the water, when you put 2 cups of this in with the scallions, it really starts to form almost like a dough really quickly, like a really nice thick batter. And here is a closing shot of it. So it is not as runny as you would think. Okay, so with a little bit of sped up video, this is my mom and I trying to make a couple of pancakes. And as you can see, the batter is not as wet as you would think. And then at this point, after she spread it out, what I did was I put a lid on top to just keep some of the heat for the pancake. And here we are. About 3 minutes later, and my mom is throwing the bacon on the top, and then I'm just going to give this pancake a little flippy flip to cook. And again, if you wish to use a lid, that's probably ideal to you know, conserve as much heat as you can to cook the pancake. And here is a final shot of the pancake. The meat is at the bottom, and that is the top, and it looks very similar to like a regular pancake. It is a little bit more dense. Following the instructions, we put the barbecue sauce on top. I kind of went a little heavy on this one because it's mine, and I really like the barbecue sauce. My mom's putting on those bonito flakes and the mayonnaise, and I'm not sure if this is like a chive or something like that, but it is some sort of garnish. It does taste a little bit like seaweed, and my mom just sprinkles a little bit on top. And now my husband will give this a taste test.
Does Mikey like it?
Holy moly, that's good.
It's good, honey?
It's good.
There's so many flavors.
Oh my goodness, you like it? Mom, high five.
It's like
bursting with a flavor.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you really like it?
Yeah.
My husband is a man of very few words. He just said it was really great. My mom loved it. I really enjoyed it. If you've ever had the takoyaki, the squid balls, and it's another street food in Japan, it has many layers of flavor, and this was very similar, but this was easier to make than the takoyaki octopus balls. So I would recommend this if you were kind of a lazier chef like yours truly, but you want to get your fix of Japanese street food in the comfort of your home. This recipe is just an absolute winner. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.